I'm going to show you how to change the store email or the Shopify email in a few steps, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan, of course, so I want to let you know about this special offer running right now. I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which is normally almost €400 per month. I got it for just €1 per month for the next 3 months, and you even get 3 days of Shopify completely for free. So it's the best way to try Shopify and don't spend a lot of money, so you can choose any plan you want, and you will just spend €3. So don't forget to use the link in the description. So once you are here, you need to go to settings, and then right here at general you will find the store details. So if you click this small icon, you will find the store email. So in my case it's this one, and as you can see it will receive any message about your store. And if you want to change the sender email, you can go to the notification settings. So this is basically to change the email that your store will use to send emails to your customers. So that's it. That's how you can change the different type of emails on your Shopify store. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.